Here's the box. Let's get it open and take a look inside. Careful with this one on top so we don't cut into the actual bag that's underneath this. So first it comes wrapped up in this plastic here, and here's the bag itself. First, let's check out these wheels right here. You can see that those spin pretty nicely right there, and they rotate around really well, and it looks like all four of them will do that. No problem doing that. And here you can see it rolls around quite smoothly in all different directions. It's a hard-sided luggage, nice and solid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 feet right here, so you can set it down on its side, just like that right there, and it will stay nice and connected to whatever surface it's on. It has a handle right here, so you can pick it up, and it has another handle up on top right here as well. And it also has the extending arm bar right here. You just push down that button, and you can see that has a lot of nice height to it. And you can set it at one height there, another height here, and another height here. So I'll show you how that works. You just push that in, and there's another height. You can push it in for a lower height, and there you go. So there's 3 different heights that you can hold this handbar at. Looks like we got some solid zippers here that should be able to lock up as well with that mechanism right there. And we have another zipper on the outside here. This is for letting the bag expand and tighten up like that. And if we take a closer look at this 3-in-1 cup holder, phone holder, USB port, you can see it opens up really simply like that. It opens up all the way. In the back is the USB port. Down here is a base for your cups, and up here is a place where it's going to be able to hold it. And you can see it has these little slots right here as well. That's where you're going to actually be able to set your phone like that for a little phone stand, and then you can plug it in via that USB port right there. And that's also really easy to close up. You just push down like that, and there you go. And as you can see, it doesn't add any extra dimension in this direction. It's just nice and flat and built into the actual compartment itself. On the inside, we have a fully lined interior with one of these straps right here, an extra pouch right here with its own zipper on it, and one of the sides is totally zipped up as well. We can open that up just to see how much space is on the inside. And there you go. You can see there's a lot of room on the inside of this. And behind this zipper right here is where you're going to find a compartment to place your battery pack to plug in your phone. You can see it's got a wire right here going back to it where your USB will connect. You have another cable here, USB as well, and that will go into your battery pack. And then down here, you have a little pouch for your battery pack as well. So there's a look at how the bag is when it comes right out of the box.